Okay, so we are in Haines, Alaska, and this was not a scheduled stop. There was too much wind this morning. We were supposed to stop in Skagway to park at the pier. So we went up the coast a little bit to Haines. It's a really small town. We were debating on whether we were going to leave the ship or not, and then the sun came out. So we're in a little small town, and we're going to see what we can get into here. Maybe nothing, but we'll see. It's cold, it's windy. So,
but look at this beautiful view here.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous.
So we didn't find much to do, but we did, go to the public library, use a little internet, and now we're waiting for the shuttle bus to come back and pick us up.
So we can head back for lunch.
Yep.
See you soon.
So we decided to steal a seat down here in the casino because no one was here. Everyone was outside or somewhere else. LaShawn, how's your day going?
It was going great until we got in this casino and had to peel off all the layers I had on because it got warm real quick.
It ain't that warm.
It's warm. As you can see, I got short sleeves on. I'm starting to perspire.
But after today, we have, one more day?
Yes.
One more full day of the cruise. I forgot what the stop is tomorrow.
I can't even pronounce it.
I totally forgot, but I'll make sure to put that up here. But yeah, it's beautiful out there, but it's cold and it's
very
windy.
Cold. What did you say? It was like 0?
It's 0 Celsius today, but it was like 30. It was when I last looked, it was like 39 Fahrenheit. So
okay.
It's chilly.
It's chilly, but the rain makes it colder in the wind.
Yeah.
But if you didn't have that, it wouldn't be that bad.
It wouldn't be that bad.
Yeah. There's a lot of people outside that's really bundled up. They do have blankets that you can rent. I think it's renting because they ask you for your cabin number.
Because nothing's free. So.
So I just grabbed a beach towel or a deck towel and wrapped up in it.
All right, it's the last day of the trip. We're on our way to Fjord. Yesterday was Glacier Bay. So the sun came out. It's really nice. The seas aren't as rough. It was really rough yesterday afternoon. Me and Sean, we just laid down after dinner. The boat was moving too much. So nice day today, though. So we decided to come all the way to Anchorage to eat some ice cream. It ain't exactly warm out here, but this ice cream is delicious. So we just got here this morning. The cruise ended this morning, and we took a transfer here to Anchorage, so we'll be here for a few days and try to see a few sites while we're here. So stay tuned for that. Anchorage area, taking a ride to the Matanuska Glacier. Gonna take a look at the glacier, do a little sightseeing while we're here, and just enjoying a few days in Anchorage before we get ready to head back to Ecuador in a week or so. How was your day yesterday?
My day was awesome. When we arrived here, we got here about, we arrived about 8:30, 9 o'clock in Anchorage because we took a tour with a motor coach to the airport. And so we got the car and then we rode around downtown.
We got some lunch.
Well, he got pho and I got pad thai because I was starving. I hadn't eaten since the night before.
Yeah. Well, we ate a little bit on the boat before we left.
It wasn't enough.
Not yeah.
So we got ice cream from Wild Scoop.
Wild Scoops, yeah.
Very good. I had the Sika caramel ice cream.
Yeah. I had a blueberry something or other.
You had the wild blueberry.
Yeah.
Wild berry something. Oh, so good. I was actually exhausted when we got to the hotel. He was talking and I was sleeping because I don't remember anything after that. He was like, what you ask me? Did I want to do something?
I don't remember.
And I said basically I wanted to go to sleep.
She took a nice early afternoon nap.
And he woke me up and he was like, I'm hungry. So I was still sleepy when we went to the restaurant at 49th State. What was it?
49th State Brew House. Yeah.
Brew House. Let me tell you, I hadn't had stout beer since we left the States. We had the Seward Folly or
Seward's Folly. Yeah, like 12% alcohol.
Folly. Okay. It was so good. I missed that. And it was a nice evening out. And of course, when we got back to the room, he wanted to watch something and I was asleep again.
Yeah. And then it wasn't long after that. I think I went to sleep around like 9:30 last night. It was a long day yesterday. And of course the sun was still out when I went to sleep. The sun
was still out because I woke up about 10:30. It was daylight like right now. It was like it could have been around, it looked like it was around 6 o'clock, but it was sunlight like this. I started to take a video, but I was still tired, so I didn't do that. But yesterday was a long day. I actually enjoyed our time, and I'm looking forward to our trip to wherever he's taking me next.
Did you happen to get something yesterday that you have been waiting for?
Yes, I did. I had Alaskan king crab. Now, that was very much on the expensive side, but it was worth it. Oh my gosh, it was worth it. I have never had Alaskan king crab. It was sweet, not too sweet, but the perfect amount of sweetness, tenderness. I thought I really liked snow crab. I love Alaskan king crab. It is not something you want to eat on a regular basis unless you have access to it, and you can afford to spend over $100 a plate. But it was definitely worth it, and I had like a two legs?
Yeah, 2 big legs. Yeah.
When I tell you that was enough, it was enough. He got to taste a little bit. I shared a little bit with him.
I've had it before, so yeah.
But it was amazing. So I really enjoyed it. What's the Waffle House you said?
Waffles. I think it's Waffles and Whatnot.
Okay, I'm gonna try Waffles and Whatnot later, and we'll let you know how that goes.
If it's good, I want to pre-thank my buddy Rico. I went to school with Rico, and he suggested that we go to this place. If it's bad, I'll blame Rico.
I don't think he steered you wrong, has he?
No.
Okay.
Just decided to pull off the road, take a look. Sean got some pretty pictures. Pulled off on the side of the highway. Pretty long drop. hugs here. That must be a baby. We're at the campground / viewing area for Matanuska Glacier.
Hey guys, we're taking a walk in the woods. We've already seen some moose nuggets. Met some friends along the way.
So here we are at the famous Waffles and Whatnot. They have a unique premise. When you walk in, if you've never been there before, they'll offer to make something for you. You get to take a couple bites. If you don't like it, you can send it back and then order what you want. We decided to go that route, but in hindsight, probably should have ordered what I wanted to begin with, although our food was pretty good. We would recommend this restaurant for anyone visiting Anchorage. It was a pretty unique experience. This place was featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives. And as you can see, they let people autograph the walls all over. There's only a couple places that they don't allow it. So, of course, we had to put our tag on this restaurant.